You understand who we are in the world. We're like royalty. People envy that. They want to tear it down. They want to tear us down.
The Usher family is unstoppable.
Hedonism, privilege, few rules, fewer consequences.
I require a lot of my assistance.
I don't give a shit about the world. I would like to be successful.
If you don't want to be consistently cruel, then you have to be sufficiently brutal.
You wonder why people hate us. This right here, this is why.
We're so fucked.
Things are escalating.
If we don't stop her, you won't have a family left.
I'm afraid you're ringside for my reckoning.
The House of Usher, whose time has come.